Hey, have you ever wondered how to get these really nice minimal arrows in Squarespace? I will show you and you won't need to know any code. So the arrows on Squarespace tend to have a background automatically. So if you want to get rid of these, all you have to do is go up to your site styles, jump into colors, and just scroll up a bit until you see this little label here on the right hand side, and this section is lightest one. So we'll go over to lightest one and just hover over the pencil, and it will bring up all of this huge list. So it can be a little bit overwhelming, but there's a little trick that I do to jump to the section that you want to edit. So we're going to go back to our screen, over to the page, and we're just going to click on it, and you'll see that there's these faint blue lines around it, and over here you already see that it's jumped to that section. And this is what we want. We want the arrow, so press on it, and we want it black. We want black arrows, as you just see got changed. And to remove the background, I'll just click off, is you jump to your arrow background palette, and this is all you have to do, and the background's gone, giving you that nice minimal look to your website. So I thought I wanted to share that little handy trick or know-how. Thanks again for stopping by. Bye.